Hello everyone, today we will presentation our project based learning and the topic is implementation well architect framework on cyber physical security system for monitoring asset Polibatam. First of all, let me introduce our team. First is Mr. Nur Cahyo or Mr. Anung as a manager project, and then me Sandirido Ilahi as a leader, and then Vincentius Kowalska Nisa Simanjunta as a member, and then Muhammad Nazir as a member, and then Muhammad Mirza Albazi as a member, and then Muhammad Iqbal Sajidan as a member, and the last one is Artanto Prasetyo as a member. And then our project is creating a system called SOAR, Security Orchestrator Automation Response. When we receive log when the rule level is higher than 10, we will create an alert automatically. And we use several open source software. It's like Wazoo, The Hive, Cortex, Telegram, MESP, and Shuffle. We have 4 phases in this project. First is conceive. We need 2 weeks to complete it, and it's done. The second is design. We need 1 week to complete it, and it's done too. Third is implement. We need 9 weeks to complete it, and it's still going until now. And the last part is operate. We need 2 weeks to complete it, but it's still not start yet. This is our topology. Let me explain this to you. First, we plan a Wazoo agent into our server what we want to monitoring. And then when the server got an attack or the rule level higher than 10, that will trigger our shuffle. And then the shuffle will create an alert to our Telegram and the Hive. Then the Hive create cache also the observable IP attacker. Then we analyze the source IP with Cortex and using MESP as thread sharing. And the last thing is Shuffle will share the result into our Telegram group.
Hello, I am Mirsya. I will explain a bit about Wazoo. Wazoo is an open source platform used for the management and collection of event log as well as the detection of security gap on server. In our PBL, Wazoo is integrated with Telegram, MQTT, the Hive, Cortex, and MESP. The Wazoo progress can now be used, but it still to be tuned or add some configuration to make it better. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Hartanto Prasetyo. The Hive SOC is a centralized facility responsible for detecting, analyzing, and responding to information security threats within an organization or network. It's critical component of modern cybersecurity strategy. The benefit of the Hive SOC include enable already detection of information security threats, minimizing the damage caused by attack. Rapid response. With a threat team and well-defined procedure, the Hive SOC can respond quickly to detect threats. Risks reduction. By continuously monitoring and analyzing network activity, SOC helps identify and reduce potential security risks. Forensic investigation. Following an attack, the Hive SOC can conduct forensic investigation to understand its cause, reducing to lack of similar attack in the future. The primary function of the Hive SOC include security monitoring, threat analyzing, incident response, and overall system improvement and statement.
Hello everyone, my name is Iqbal Sajidan. I'm here. I wanna say something about Cortex and MESP. Cortex is a security analysis platform developed by Palo Alto Network. The platform provides various tools for manage and analyze security data. Meanwhile, MESP or malware information sharing platform is an open collaboration platform used by organizations to share information about security threat. Integrated between Cortex and MESP within the well-architected framework to SIM cyber physical system security help organization extend the capability in threat detection, analysis, and response by assembling relevant data from various sources and optimizing security process. And the following is an example of the where the Cortex integrate. We can see here Cortex integrate.
Hi, my name is Vincentius Kowalska Nisa Simanjuntak. So in here I will explain about Shuffle.
like you can see in my screen, in this screen, this is the interface of Shuffle. So Shuffle is an open source interpretation of SOAR. Why me and my team have to and want to use this application? Because this application make a possibility to make an automation process. The automation process is very good for our team because it can make time efficiency to treat analysis process. Like you can see in here, this is the workflows that we made before in our project. So if there is a trigger, the trigger in this application, in this application in our project is if there is a log, a suspicious log with rule level 10 from Wazoo, it will come into Shuffle and it will process in this workflow. Like you can see, this application Shuffle is integrated to all application that we use in our project, like Beehive, Cortex, Telegram, MQTT, MEISP, and Wazoo. I think that's all about Shuffle that I can explain. Oh, so far our Shuffle configuration is good and the function is good too, but I think and my team think for the next stage we can make it more powerful or more perfect than today, than recently condition. So that's all about Shuffle, and then I will explain about the obstacles in our project works. The first one is constraint in resources, because our project need many application, which is that application have a large size in memory, so we need around 3 until 5 computers in our laboratorium. And then after that, problems in managing time, because all of us is a worker, so it's hard for us to decide a time for gather and discuss about our progress. After that, back in system and device. After that, action and plan for the next stage. First is make a dynamic system. Yeah, so far our system is a dynamic system but not perfect. So I think for the next stage we can make it perfect, we can make it better. And after that, installation and configuration Grafana for our interface. After that, testing. So after all of our application have done development, I think we will make a testing to try is our project or our application good or not. I think that's all from me. Thank you.